In this video, I want to show you how your company can save thousands of dollars in annual electricity costs in California's Direct Access program. My name is Robert Cram, President of Bmark Energy, where we've been providing energy consulting, utility alerts, and lower energy costs for California companies for over 23 years. Direct Access is a wholesale power purchasing program available to California companies served by SCE, PG&E, and SDG&E, which allows companies to purchase their electricity from a wholesale supplier rather than from their utility. There are about 35,000 business accounts currently in the program, where most are saving 15 to 60% off their utilities generation costs. Normally, the greater the monthly usage, the greater the savings. But many companies are saving $10,000 to $200,000 to $500,000 to well over $1 million a year in direct access. We have 4 savings analyses to review, so let's take a look at the first 2. In this savings analysis, we see a steel manufacturer served by Southern California Edison. Their usage is about 2 million kilowatt hours a month. The different generation rates are in the middle 2 columns, and the right column, monthly savings, how much they've saved, and all the way down to the bottom, $835,000 saved annually. In our second savings analysis, we show a medium-sized hospital served by Pacific Gas and Electric, using about 800,000 kilowatt hours a month. And over the right-hand side, monthly savings all the way down to the bottom, $213,000 saved annually. So the question is, so why aren't all companies in direct access? And the answer is simple. It's because of supply caps that were placed on the program during the 2001 energy crisis, which limited the amount of power supply available for the program. These caps are still in place today, some 15 years later, still limiting power supply and participation in the program. But fortunately, and here's the best news, we believe all this is about to change. There's a California Senate bill, SB 286, which calls for phasing out of the supply caps and phasing in 8,000 gigawatt hours of renewable energy over a 3-year period, all of which should greatly increase direct access participation. SB 286 is poised for approval and signature by the governor, hopefully by the second or third quarter of this year, and we expect it will be implemented first quarter of 17, which is just right around the corner. Now, 2 other important points to understand and remember. Companies must have their paperwork submitted far in advance and be on the utility's wait list to be eligible for direct access. And there are near-term deadlines fast approaching in June of this year to meet these requirements, and Bmark Energy can help you do all of this. Now let's take a look at the other 2 savings analyses. In this third analysis, we show a company behind SDG&E that burns about 200,000 kilowatt hours a month. They've gone ahead and fixed their rate through 2017, so this is an estimated savings analysis. We can see in the 2 middle columns the difference in the generation rates, and the far right column, the monthly savings all the way down to the bottom, $81,000 saved annually. In this last savings analysis, we show a greenhouse grower behind Southern California Edison. They burn between 20 and 30,000 kilowatt hours a month, and monthly savings on the right-hand side all the way down, a little over $11,000 saved annually. So as you can see, whether your company burns 20,000 kilowatt hours a month or 20 million kilowatt hours a month, or whether you have 1 facility or multiple facilities in California, direct access is where your company really wants to be. It's really an extension of the electricity deregulation process currently in effect in California. Contact us at our contact information shown directly below, and we'll take your company step by step from start to finish into direct access. We'll also provide savings analyses for larger end-use customers. And finally, when your waitlist number is called, we'll help you negotiate your best rates with suppliers. You select your supplier, and into direct access you go. Contact us, and we'll get the job done.